Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a RIA money transfer account. Let's get into it. First, start the sign up process. You need to tell the computer that you want to join and make a brand new account for yourself. Look for the big button that says register or sign up and click on it. Pick the country where you live so the system knows which rules to follow, because it opens up the form where you can put in your own secret details. By clicking this button, you are starting your journey with the service. It ensures the system is ready to build a new spot just for you so you can keep track of all your money moves. Next, fill in your personal details. Now you need to write down who you are so the system can verify that you are a real person. Type in your name, your phone number, and your email address. Pick a strong secret word to use as your password and write it down somewhere safe. It keeps your account locked, so only you can get inside. By giving your real name and phone number, you are making sure your account is safe and legal. It is the key step to getting the right output and making sure the company can reach you if they have a question about your money. Lastly, verify and finish. The final step is to prove that the phone number or email you gave actually belongs to you. Look for a text message or an email with a special code and type those numbers into the app. Once the code is accepted, click the final button to finish your setup, because it officially turns on your account. Once the system knows it is really you, your account is live and ready to send money across the world. Now you can log in whenever you want and start your work. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.